Holi, the festival of colors, joy, and togetherness. But behind this vibrant celebration lies an ancient tale. A story of faith, devotion, and the ultimate victory of good over evil. Let's go back in time to where it all began. Long ago, there was a powerful but ruthless king named Hiranyakashipu. He had captured the whole world, believing himself to be invincible, and demanded that everyone to worship him as a god. But there was one who refused that. He was none other than his own son, Prahlad, a pious follower of Lord Vishnu. Prahlad's unwavering faith enraged the king Hiranyakashipu. Furious, he decided to end Prahlad's devotion once for all. The king had him thrown into a pit of deadly snakes. But as Prahlad chanted Vishnu's name, the serpents backed away, unable to harm him. Next, a raging elephant was sent to trample him. But instead of attacking, it knelt before him in surrender. Finally, he was thrown from a towering mountain. Prahlad should have met his end. But Vishnu's grace carried him safely to the ground. No matter what he did, but Prahlad remained unharmed. His unwavering faith was stronger than the king's rage. After many failed attempts, Hiranyakashipu sought help from his sister, Holika. She was blessed with immunity to fire. But she misused her boon with evil intent, attempting to burn Prahlad while ensuring her own safety. She fooled him into sitting on a pile of firewood and lit the flames. However, her own boon turned into a curse. The fire consumed Holika, reducing her to ashes, while Prahlad remained unharmed by Vishnu's grace. At last, Lord Vishnu took the fierce form of Narsimha and vanquished Hiranyakashipu. This moment symbolized devotion's victory over arrogance and is celebrated as Holika Dahan, victory of good over evil. Legend says that young Krishna, envious of Radha's fair complexion, complained to his mother, Yashodha. To cheer him up, she playfully suggested to color Radha's face. Delighted, Krishna smeared her with colors, and from this innocent act, the vibrant festival of Holi was born. Today, Holi continues to celebrate love, joy, and the playful spirit of Radha and Krishna. And so, Holi became a festival of faith, love, and the victory of good over evil.